Okay guys, you're welcome back to today reading class. So in this class of today, we are going to be reading 2024 JAMB Physics past question and answer. So this is reading class for JAMB class. So and in this particular video, we are going to be diving into the 2023 Physics JAMB past question and answer. We are going to be reading for this particular video. So in case you guys need any of the JAMB past question on both science, commercial and arts students, in case you need any of your past question, you can go to the comment section and let me know, so I will direct you, or you can download get access to the PDF of any exam past question you want for both WAEC and NECO. Any kind of exam, we have it available in stock. So guys, so let's dive to it. So we have the first question here. As I said earlier in the previous class, I said whenever you are coming to my YouTube channel or you're coming to my Facebook, anywhere you are watching my video, any of our social media accounts or page, I will always advise you to come with a pen and your biro so you can gain something from our channel. We do share everything about education on this channel. Okay, so if you're ready to learn every day, if you're ready to read every day, this channel and this platform is well recommended for you guys to keep learning every single day. So we have the reading class. So I would like you to take away, to try your possible best to move away where you can get distracted. So is to put yourself in a reading mode so you can get access to the full attention of today's reading class. So it's better if you read and understand, and then you have A, and you have 90 plus in any of the subjects you are doing in the forthcoming JAMB examination for both WAEC, NECO, JAMB examination, or any of the exam you are about to write So let's dive to it. So this is how we always do it. So you read the question. In the next 30 minutes, I will drop the correct answer, the correct option in the next 30 minutes. So you read the question and pick your own answer, and I will drop the correct answer in the next 30 seconds further. Okay, so let's dive. Are you ready, guys? Okay, if you're ready, so let's dive to it. This is question 1. It is calculation question. I will still drop video on that very soon. So that is why we always advise you to stick to always visit our platform every single day so you can learn every single day to keep you prepared ahead for this upcoming examination. So guys, let's dive to it. Take your pen and your book now. Let's go straight. Question 1, solve it, and in the next 30 seconds I'll drop the correct answer, and in the next video I'll make a video on that, so don't miss any part of this class. And in case you want to join our mathematics class for this upcoming, it is free for a month, so you can request for you want to join our mathematics class, or then you can request you want to join our mathematics class, so I will send the link where you can get access to the class. Thank you guys. So let's dive to it. Let's read the question 1 and pick your answer, and in the next 30 seconds I will drop the correct answer. Are you ready to go? Okay guys, let's go. So the correct option to question 1 is option A. So let's go to question 2. The correct option to question 2 is option A. So let's go to question 3. The correct option to question 3 is option A. So let's go to question 4. The correct option to question 4 is option D. So let's move to question 5. Okay, all these questions are always in calculation aspect. So in the next video, I'll make sure I'll do the calculation, the video on how you can do the calculation of question 1 to question 4, and only of the calculation in this particular physics past question. I'll drop the video on that in the next video, so don't miss that class. So let's dive to question 5. The correct option to question 5 is option C. So let's dive to question 6. The correct option to question 6 is option A. So let's dive to question 7. The correct option to question 7 is option A. So let's dive to question 9. Question 8 rather. The correct option to question 8 is option B. So let's dive to question 9. The correct option to question 9 is option C. So let's dive to question 10. The correct option to question 10 is option C. So let's dive to question 11. The correct option to question 11 is option D. So let's dive to question 12. The correct option to question 12 is option A. So let's dive to question 13. The correct option to question 13 is option C. So let's dive to question 14. The correct option to question 14 is option C. So let's dive to question 15. The correct option to question 15 is option A. So let's dive to question 16. The correct option to question 16 is option B. So let's dive to question 17. The correct option to question 17 is option C. So let's dive to question 18. The correct option to question 18 is option C. So let's dive to question 19. The correct option to question 19 is option A. So let's dive to question 20. The correct option to question 20 is option C. So let's dive to question 21. The correct option to question 21 is option D. So let's dive to question 22. The correct option to question 22 is option B. So let's dive to question 23. The correct option to question 23 is option B. So let's dive to question 24. The correct option to question 24 is option B. Let's dive to question 25. The correct option to question 25 is option C. So let's dive to question 26. The correct option to question 26 is option A. So let's dive to question 27. The correct option to question 27 is option A. So let's dive to question 28. The correct option to question 28 is option C. So let's dive to question 29. The correct option to question 29 is option D. So let's dive to question 30. The correct option to question 30 is option C. Let's dive to question 31. The correct option to question 31 is option A. So let's dive to question 32. The correct option to question 32 is option A. So let's dive to question 33. The correct option to question 33 is option C. So let's dive to question 34. The correct option to question 34 is option D. So let's dive to question 35. The correct option to question 35 is option D. So let's dive to question 36. The correct option to question 36 is option D. So let's dive to question 37. The correct option to question 37 is option B. So let's dive to question 38. The correct option to question 38 is option A. So let's dive to question 39. The correct option to question 39 is option D. So let's move to the last question. That is the question 40, which is the last question for this 2023 physics past question, JAMB physics past question and answer. So let's move to the last question now. Okay, so read the last question and I'll do the answer. The correct option to question 40 is option C. So guys, that is the end of this class. So this is the end of this physics class for today. So the next video I will drop question on biology and chemistry, mathematics and other subjects. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the button and follow us in case we have a benefit like this, so you'll be the first one to notify. And also I will beg you to please share this video with your friend and your family so they can benefit for this channel, for this page. Okay guys, so this PDF have explanatory words, solution to all the exercise, all the question for it. You can see question 2, everything they have was the solution is what well explained that you can read and understand. So guys, if you need the PDF of any of exam past question you're about to write, you can contact us, go to the comment section and say that you need the PDF, so I will direct you how you can download the 4 subjects you need for this forthcoming examination. You can see the question is well explained literally in this PDF. So in the next video, it will be going into the 2022 physics past question. That is tomorrow. The next video that we drop today, it will be for biology and chemistry, English language. So don't forget to stick around our YouTube channel, our Facebook, our Twitter, our TikTok. So guys, thank you, and shall meet in the next class.